Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I made this rice conditioner, so stay tuned.
So number 2 is this rice conditioner. So obviously it's called rice conditioner because it has rice, blended up rice, and oil, which also has this in it as well. You know, with the sage, the rosemary, and the rose water.
So I'm taking the rice, and really I can just soak it, and this will be rice water if I left it in, excuse my dirty dishes, left it in after 24 hours, but that thing stinks to high heaven. So I'm just getting all the excess stuff out of it. I'm gonna drain it. The rice water out, okay? Alright, so now I'm coming over. This is already boiling, as you can tell. And I'm gonna put, not to burn myself, got this camera in my hand at the same time, which is not good. Okay, so I'm gonna put the rice in here, so hold on. Make the rice mixture. Okay, we're back. What we did to make this rice mixture was get 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of water, boil it, and cook the rice, and then we blended it with 2 cups of water, approximately, give or take 2 cups of water. We had to eyeball it to get the consistency right, and we blended it in the blender. JL, what are you doing over there? So now we're gonna strain it through the strainer. Oh Lord. This is not straining through the strainer. How about we just use it like it is? It has a sticky consistency to it. And yes, it's totally edible. But I'm just gonna pour this in there. I'm forgetting about straining it, you guys. I don't know whether I should strain it or not, because it's kind of thick. Some people will use a cheesecloth, but I don't have a cheesecloth. So you see how it's going in there? It's going in there real creamy. You see that? And I don't know how I would get that out, and we've already blended it. Hey, for this conditioner, rice water is such a great protein conditioner. So if your hair is damaged or weak or brittle, this can rebuild the bonds in your hair. And so I like to use that as my prepoo, and I put it on my hair for about 45 minutes to an hour before I actually wash my hair. So it's very good for that. This is the finished product of the rice water conditioner. I did add that mixture that we just talked about to it to loosen it up so it's not as thick. As you could tell, it's not as thick as it was before. It was a very thick conditioner before. And so I was getting ready to see whether I want to strain it or not, but to get the bits out, but we'll see. We'll see what we can do if we strain it or not, because the other mixture was too thick. I could not strain it, okay? So that's it on that. And I will put all the ingredients that I put in this down below. And till next time, stay with me. I'm going to show JL. JL made, with the remaining rice water mixture, she made horchata with some... Horchata? Is that what it's called? Horchata. Horchata. With some
cinnamon, brown sugar, and oat milk.
Okay. So that's what you could do. That's great that your food can be edible. Hey guys, thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you like the content, hit the like and subscribe button down below, and we'll be able to provide you with quality videos every week. And you'll hit the notification bell, of course, so that you'll know when I'm sending those videos. Also, if you like to see more of our shenanigans and tomfoolery, you can look on YouTube. I mean, I'm already on YouTube. Hello, already on YouTube. But what I mean is, go to Instagram under TheWookie Natural and my Facebook group at TheWookie Natural. Okay? Until next time.